Hello once again and welcome to Caversham Central. A slightly different video for you today. I wanted to just share a project that I'm going to be undertaking. Let me just show you something first of all. This is the station at Caversham Central, and as you can see it's quite long. The longest platform is probably about 7 foot long, so it can accommodate some fairly lengthy trains, and it's constructed out of MDF with the Pico platform sides attached to it, and I put in these subways, which actually I think look really good and I'm really happy with. However, looking at it, it just obviously is crying out for a really big structure to go over the top and the bridge to allow access to all of the platforms. And there's nothing available on the market which fits the bill. So a few weeks ago in British Railway Modelling, I received this supplement, which is a guide to model buildings, and one of the things there is talking about scratch built buildings. And I've also seen a couple of other YouTube contributors, notably Glebro Junction, and Terry at Glebro build some great buildings, and I think I'd like to have a go at doing that myself. So I'm going to have a go at building a large modern footbridge, essentially, which will give access to all 3 platforms. I live in Reading, and we're currently having a multi-billion-pound new station built there, and I'm going to model it on the station at Reading, or loosely at least. And yeah, so I thought it'd be good to just share with you my plans and let you know how I get on. Okay, so just to give you a quick overview of the materials that I'm going to be using to have a go at building this. First up is, I think it's called Daler board. It's artist's mounting board anyway, and I bought it on eBay, an A3 sheet. I bought a couple of it. It's effectively, quite rigid card. Yeah, bought a couple of sheets on eBay. I think it's about £5 a go, and I'll be using that for the for the sort of the walls and that kind of thing. The other bits and pieces that I'll need, in no particular order. Well, I'll be getting through plenty of Stanley knives, so I've got a load of those, and quite importantly, a steel ruler to ensure straight edges, as well as a rubber cutting mat, so I don't do too much damage to tabletops and that kind of thing. I'm going to be using this ID Vaccines self-adhesive brick paper, and this is the the grey engineering bricks, and that'll be used for part of the building. I also have got from Evergreen Scale Models these sheet styrenes, which are metal roofing, quite expensive. I think about £5 a go, and I'm going to need a few of those, I suspect. And also from Evergreen, these angles as well, which I'll be using inside to reinforce the whole thing. I've also picked up some clear sheeting, which will be used for windows. There'll be quite a few windows in there. And then finally, here we have some escalators, which I'll be using to link the footbridge with the platforms, made by this company Gilbo, and available from Hatton's. So yeah, that's really what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to get on and just start to draw out how I want things to look, and I'll post an update once I've got something worthwhile to show you. Anyway, thanks for checking in, and I'll see you guys soon.